Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. And make sure you look descriptions down below if you are watching all of my unboxing box channels, and make sure. So me and my mom are gonna unbox some big trucks.
What is this one?
I mean, we have lots of other ones, but this golden one right here is really big and fat. We call that accelerator fat because it's the big in the back is really back. So let's get to unboxing this thing. So let's start with the gray one. Okay. Let's take it out. Alright guys, here's the gray truck. Let me go ahead and open this. And I think my mom's gonna test this baby out, and I'm gonna test the brown one. So let's see if Mommy can test that one out and see if it actually...
How does it turn on?
Oh, so this thing right here, it's so small, I know you can't even see it. This thing right here turns it on. And the lights is super, see? It turned on this now.
Why is the light blinking like that? What is it waiting for us to do?
Drive it.
Turn the remote on.
Yeah.
Here.
Let's see if Mommy can test this baby out.
You gotta back up. It's gonna go fast.
Okay. Okay,
You wanna hold the camera?
sure. And I'll hold my... Here's Mommy testing it out. Whoa. Don't run it to me, Mommy.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Come back here. Don't run it to me. So guys, we're gonna unbox this one.
It's not backing up. Okay, let's try the next one. Let me see.
We're going to open my truck that we got from Amazon. And two.
Whoa.
Look at this big thing. This is super huge. Mommy's gonna help me open this thing.
And what does it come with? What kind of wheels does it come with?
Oh, these are just regular wheels, and yeah, these are just regular wheels
Okay.
that we will want to go.
Get the gray one so we can compare the wheels.
Okay. Oh. Here's our gray one. I'm gonna take my one that I'm going to
And
drive.
this is what it came in. Military truck. Features forward, backward, turn left, turn right, light, and Wi-Fi control. And this is from Amazon.com.
This one needs batteries, guys.
This is the brown version of it.
This one needs batteries.
Yes, that one needs batteries. We can put the batteries in this. The brown one came with these set of wheels, and then it also came with the Army tank wheels that are on it already.